Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create new Heyday account. Now, the first thing I would like you to do is to launch any store of your choice. Google Play Store or Apple Store, that's entirely dependent on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar of the application, go ahead and type in Heyday. Now, once you do that, just follow through the on-screen instructions to install. And after installing, you're going to see the open button. Now click on the open button and that's going to take you right into the sign up page for Heyday. Now signing up into Heyday is not conventional and it's hassle free. Okay, so just once you open the app, you're just going to have to go through the first tournament. This is not a tournament now, like the first phase of playing the game. Of course, you're going to be given on-screen instructions. Just go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions, click anything you're asked to click, and once you're done, it's going to take you right into this homepage. Now, one of the steps that you need to do or you need to take is to create a farm name, and after adding your farm name, create a farm name and verify your age. All right, and after doing that, it's just going to take you right into this homepage. But aside from signing into Heyday, you need to create an account with Supercell ID because there's some of the features that you need to unlock, and you have to unlock them with Supercell ID. And how do you get into Supercell ID? From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that and you have edit mode and settings. Now click on settings, take you here. So over here at the top, you have Supercell ID. If you're not connected, instead of connected, you're going to see login. So click on login, and once you click on login, just follow through the step-by-step processes and you'll be able to create an account on Supercell ID. So that's pretty much how you can create a new Heyday account. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.